Hello there. Welcome back to Computer Practice Info. In this video, what we get a question for the question paper of November 2024. So we are going to look at question 4 on that question paper that is on internet and communication skills. So our question is on definition of terms, and it reads: define the following terms and answer in full sentence. So we are given the first term as uniform resource locator. So basically, a uniform resource locator, it's a unique web address in order for a web browser to locate the website and display its contents. So that is a uniform resource locator. So we have a brief description that we have in our other section, which reads: it's the technical name for a web address for a website or a web page. So that's the definition that we have. So moving on to the second term, it's World Wide Web. And we can define a World Wide Web as a collection of websites available on the internet, and thus a source of huge amounts of information used across the world. So a World Wide Web comes as a uh, it comes as a source of huge amounts of information that is used across the world. So it is also a collection of websites. Very important to take note of that part. So we have also a brief description that we have in terms of other section whereby I say uh, is the part of the internet that consists of all websites and web pages that exist globally. So that is the World Wide Web. So moving on to the next term, which is the internet as service provider. So internet service provider, basically it's a company, or we can call it a business, that allows one access to the internet. So it allows access to the internet, either free, it might be free, or it might be paying. So that's the scenario that we have in terms of an internet as service provider. So basically, it's a company that obviously allows access to the internet due to maybe you are paying or you are not paying. So we have a brief description that we have again in terms of a service provider, whereby I say it's a commercial company that supplies an internet service to clients for payment. We know that if it's a commercial company, it is a business that is run with the main aim of making a profit. So we move on to the next term that we have, which is now the internet, and we can simply define an internet as a global network of interconnected computing devices. A global network of interconnected computing devices. So according to our answer section, we can describe it as a world wide collection of computing devices that are connected to each other and can communicate with each other. So that's internet. So on the last term, we've got a search engine. Search engine, we can also define it as a website service that allows internet users to search for content on the World Wide Web. So we are seeing that the search engine, we find it inside the World Wide Web. So we have a brief description again on the other section whereby we're saying it's a search engine is a website that allows one to key in words and to search for websites that contain information based on the keywords. So that's a search engine. So basically, those are the terms that we have according to the question paper of November 2024. And thank you for listening, and hopefully the video was helpful. Let's meet again in the next video.